I got a notification in the mail from my Advantage card. They're gonna raise my revolving credit. My limit right now is $3,500. I'm gonna call them later on the day and see what they raise it to. And I'm gonna give y'all tips on exactly how to raise your credit limits on your cards and why that's important. Bam! Just got approved. I was at $3,500. They just approved it, increased it to $7,500. That's a $4,000 jump. Probably in the last 3 to 4 months I've done this, and I'm gonna tell you what I've done. Basically, I kind of use it every month, and I would go close to the limit, and I just pay it down. I go close to the limit and pay it down. So that they seen I was faithful with how I was using the credit card, they raised my limit. And so I just went from a $3,500 limit to a $7,500 limit. My overall debt to limit ratio, utilization, is a lot better now. So that means my scores have just increased from that. They even said they weren't gonna check my credit, so I got no dings in my credit, no inquiries either. It's real important you take care of your credit cards. They can increase your limits. That's gonna help you a lot. That's something you really wanna do and take care of. Another thing too is make sure you make your payments on time. Don't be late on your credit cards. One 30-day late can drop your credit score easily 40 to 80 points. One 30-day late on your credit report. So make sure, take care of your credit. If you wanna raise your credit limits, use a lot of the credit limit and then pay it off, and they'll raise your limit and give you more availability over like 3 to 5 months. I just raised mine again from a $3,500 limit to a $7,500 limit. We've had a great day, a lot of great stuff coming up. I look forward to bringing y'all more great content. We'll catch up. Have a blessed night.